I'm Adele. My husband Gary and I bought RiverRidge Retreat in the Catlins 2 years after we got married here. We can sleep 80 people on site, and we've got affiliations with lots of nearby accommodation, so any more than 80 isn't a problem. We can seat up to 130 people in our modern function centre. We can tailor any package to suit your needs, so we can help as much or as little as you want with your wedding celebration weekend. So I absolutely love weddings. I'd love to help you design a package to suit you guys. So please do get in touch, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Renee, and my husband and I got married at RiverRidge Retreat in February 2013. We chose RiverRidge Retreat because A, we've always loved the Catlins, and B, we really like the idea of having somewhere a bit unusual for our wedding, a bit of a destination wedding without having to travel too far. We absolutely loved our wedding down there. It was so perfect. It really felt like it was about us. We had the whole venue to ourselves all weekend, which was just wonderful for the bridal party. And our guests are still talking about what an amazing day it was and how wonderful and relaxed and comfortable the venue was. It was a beautiful location. Adele and Gary are doing a great job, and I would fully recommend to anyone else that it's a wonderful place to have your wedding.
RiverRidge Retreat is a dream wedding venue destination, especially if you're wanting an easy, relaxed, stress-free experience. Adele and Gary are friendly and extremely organised and really, really good at communicating you and keeping you in the loop. I was quite worried about planning our wedding from Christchurch, especially because we both wanted to get married down south. But RiverRidge Retreat has made this whole experience so very relaxed and a lot of fun. We went down and met Adele and had a coffee with her, and the whole place is just beautiful, and yeah, it's just a really like, she's definitely got everything under control. So if you're wanting something easy, relaxed, stress-free, and a beautiful place to get married, then I would definitely recommend RiverRidge Retreat.